In this video, I'm going to show you how to download voice messages on Discord PC. Now, there's multiple ways that you can do this, and the first way involves using the Discord web browser. So you would go ahead and look up discord.com, then you would select on open Discord in your browser just like so, and then you will need to go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Then you want to go ahead and locate where your voice chat is. Then you want to go ahead and select on Control, Shift, and then I, and then you're going to notice that a bunch of options like this will actually appear. And what you want to do for here is you want to go ahead and filter and basically look for your voice chat. And then whenever you find it, you guys will have the option to go ahead and install it. But I know this may not work for everybody. So if that doesn't work, then what I also recommend that you guys trying is actually using a screen recorder. And the one I recommend that you guys use is actually called OBS. And this will allow you to capture voices, free to download, and you can download it whether you're on Windows, Mac, or on Linux. So you just want to go ahead and install it. And then afterwards, you can go ahead and actually use OBS. And basically, you would go ahead and run OBS, and then you would play the entire Discord voice message. Then you would end the recording right after the voice message finished playing. And then from there, you guys are able to access your voice message, and you can refer to it and look back on it. So those are the two best ways to do it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.